growth pole concept in development planning was adopted in 1956 IPR. It's also called as Mahalanobis Model, or this is what is called as the Nehruvian model. The growth pole model was adopted in India's 1956 IPR क्या है? Industrial Policy Resolution. इसके पहले 1948 का IPR था. Okay, but 50s onwards we start planning, and this was the important planning. This was your second 5-year plan. So from second 5-year plan, the Mahalanobis model, I'm sure you've heard this term, yes, sir. Also called Nehruvian model, it used the growth pole concept. ये model क्या बताता है? This model said that India must transit into industrialization-led growth. And what type of industries? Industries which are capital intensive, industries which are of producer goods, not consumer goods. Transit. The model says transit into or move into an industrialization-led growth. And industries, but what kind? Capital industries, intensive industries, heavy engineering, energy power plants, so thermal power plants and HEP projects, heavy engineering, steel industries, heavy engineering, BHEL, heavy engineering, okay, aluminium smelters, industries which are capital intensive, industries which are heavy engineering, and energy power plants, energy chahiye, thermal power plants and HEP, because the idea wahi tha, propulsive industries, inka growth hoga to baki sabka growth hoga. They're high employers, they're dominant ones, they require innovations. I hope you got the point here. Consumer goods, they believed, will not be a multiplier effect. Consumer goods is not producing machines. I know, yahi idea tha, which was the major divergence between Nehru and Gandhi. Ye major tha. I mean, Gandhi in his writing, Young India, says this, that Nehru's model is based on capitalism. और जहां पे इंडस्ट्रीज होंगे, you will have labor class there, no? अगर इंडस्ट्रीज होंगे, there will be profit motives. It's impossible industries can be benevolent. Nehru said nothing doing. Okay, Gandhiji said Gram Swaraj. Okay. Cottage industries, agriculture, self-contained villages. Nehru says you can never become like the Western countries. Nehru was the Western model, no? Okay. So, banna hai agar powerful, industrial development is the way forward.